Hello friends, welcome to HBMS World. So, sorry. Today we are going to analyze Nifty 50 chart, that is Eicher Motor. And before analyzing the chart, let me explain you. This channel is all about for educational purpose. We are just providing the support, resistance, and price actions and any pattern which is coming into picture. So if you are going to trade, that is purely your own risk. And do let me know your feedback also regarding the chart patterns and my analysis. So let's go back to Eicher Motor. This is producer manufacturing organization. It's today it is running at 2711.25 paisa with the uh, today it grows around 1.87%, that is 49 rupees 65 paisa. So let's analyze this chart. So our analysis always started from a monthly basis. So let's see, 2000 it started, growth come around 2010 to 2012. So highest point is 3346, second highest point is, so we are always considering the swings, 3048, third highest point is support. Okay, now we will consider the support is rising 2460, and this is also one of the major support, this one, and this is also one of the major support. Okay, so now coming back to weekly one, how in weekly it performs. Hmm, Run a trend line coming into picture. So yes, there is a trend line. If you see, this is one of the trend line, and from the highest point, this is one of the trend line. So let's see how it will perform in few other weeks and in a daily one. So in a daily one, hmm, still no pattern, and so it is, sorry, it just passed 2653 today, and might be the next. See, this is one of the resistance where it actually halted, this one. So you can say around this one. So once it will cross around 2789 or 2790, then very high chances it will go above, and in the bottom side it will come around, first of all it will break 2652, and then it will come around 2460. Okay, so this is all about Eicher Motors. So let's get back to the yesterday's one. uh, this one break, this one break in, might be in hourly section. Yes, this one breaks in the hourly section. So let's see when a breakout comes, it always move ahead, and so this is now nullify, and let's see in the daily basis, this is still in the same range, 4845 4514. So let's see where it will move. Divis Lab, see, Divis Lab is also in this, still this range. So as I already told, there is a resistance, so 5215 is the major resistance, but now right now it is at, sorry, it breaks this line, so very high chances, and when it breaks it touches this support 4741, so very high chances it will go downwards. So now this one is nullified, So we will keep on finding new like patterns, new if anything new is coming into picture. Coal India Limited, still in the same range, not break 171.95. Cipla, Cipla is also in the same range, but yes, it is actually giving one trend line. So let's wait how this trend line will work. Britannia, okay, Britannia is also on the same this trend line. This one, Britannia today have a result. So earning is not expected according to the market, but let's see how it will perform. BPCL is going upward, having a dividend 5 rupees. So definitely a few correction of 5 rupees will come into picture. Bharti Airtel, Bharti Airtel already break this one, so this is nullify. But this trend line is a supportive one. And you see whatever the support and resistance we mark, it always touches that one and go downwards. This is how the support and resistance will work. Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finserv very high chances tomorrow on the upper side. Asian Paint provides a dividend, so Asian Paint and a trend line is coming into picture. Let's wait how this trend line will work. And Adani Ports the trend line is coming, guys. Keep watch this trend line. So this is all about today's chart pattern analysis till Eicher Motors. So we will keep updating you with the few other charts and few other analysis. Do subscribe to my channel and do let me know if any improvement or any chart patterns or anything else we can add. Thank you guys.